Finally getting around to putting up this overhead cooking fan light thing. This is a cabinet that I got from my friend's parents, and went into their laundry room, the shelf, and it happens to be the perfect size for this. So I set it on top of the fan, and I mean, it's pretty dang close. The one thing I'm going to have to modify is this is too tall for installing it in my garage, so I need to make it maybe about this tall or something, and then it'll be useful. So I'm just going to leave it as is. I'm going to take my circular saw and just kind of cut the top off and shrink it down, but that's pretty much it. It's like a ghost, like pushing those doors around. I already have a ghost. Got my line measured about 15 inches from the top of this. I went inside and put this up and kind of had a feel for where it would be, and then I just got a feel for how much cupboard I'm going to need at the top. So I figured that, and I just traced it around. So never really done this before, but we'll see how it turns out. Well, it went as smooth as I could hope. Perfecto. Found a piece of wood for the top. You can kind of see the vision now. Okay, here we go. After recycling some nails and hinges, just short from stripping the paint off and repainting it, it's pretty much finished. I ran out of the stripper stuff, so I need to just do it by hand, either with a scraper or this sander. But there's this leftover film stuff I need to get through as well. And if this was a white color, I would probably just leave it on there like that. But by far the best tool for stripping this paint off right here is this guy right here. It goes on the end of a drill. It's made of probably plastic something. Kind of looks like a sponge. It's not perfect, but I'm really getting tired of trying to strip paint off of this. Get some of this floor finish on there. See what it looks like. with this strip of wood right here. This is going to be bearing most of the weight, basically. Major step finished. We'll work on the electricity. Gotta look at it in context. See if everything is starting to match up. I think it is. Like stainless steel. I have a rustic brown, rustic brownish paint chips. So the power's out, so I have to just work with flashlights. I'm working on the wiring here, and I found a little purpose for these tubing for like showers and shower heads and stuff. So I had one that was leaking, so I just took out the tubing in the center, and it works as a great little kind of a rustic design. It's like this house wire can go right in there. It's perfect size. I didn't have enough of this stuff to keep going with it, so this will work fine. I'm gonna you can see I put a piece of it in there, so it'll just kind of be open like that. I don't mind that look. I'll show you real quick before I put the fan on. It'll go something like that. Get some attachments there. Well, I finally got her installed. Do some cleanup, and there's a little cover for that. And got the wiring in there, so moment of truth. Hopefully I did that right, and I don't know the last time this has ever been used. Hopefully it works. There it is. Variable speed. There you go. I could cook my burgers and taquitos without getting smoke and moisture all over in the room. My next little step is to replace this with a fixed light right here. So that's why I put that little junction box there to extend wires. I love LED lights, so I might do some modifications on that. Get some LED lights in there, or whatever.